Hi, today I'm gonna show you how to install Visual Studio 2015 Community Edition. You can get the installer from my link here. Just tap it in your browser and then scroll until you find the Visual Studio 2015 and then select the Community Edition. Just click here and it will be download. This download is coming from Microsoft directly. It's not from me, so the file should be saved. Once you finish download the installer, open the ISO. Just right click on it and mount, and then go to this DVD drive and then open the vscommunity.exe. Okay, we can click the default here, or if you want custom, it's up to you. I'm just gonna use the default and click install. Alright, once it's finished, you can launch the Visual Studio 2015. Just click launch. And you can sign in or maybe later. Just click on later and just select this one as default. Click start Visual Studio. And that's it. Now you can start coding or develop some projects with Visual Studio Community 2015. And before we end this, don't forget to open the Explorer and eject the installer. And that's it. It's finished. Okay, I think that's it for this video. Thank you for watching and see you next time.